Millions of Ukrainians fled to Poland after Russia invaded Ukraine in 2022. Polish volunteers initially welcomed Ukrainian refugees with open arms. Nastia Podorozhnia founded Martinka to help Ukrainian women escape violence. The shelter has provided support to more than 100 women and children. Funding for Ukrainian refugee support is now drying up. Anti-Ukrainian sentiment has also been growing in Poland. More Ukrainian refugees are facing hostility and discrimination. Ukrainian refugees have made a significant contribution to Poland's economy. Martinka is receiving more requests for help from struggling mothers. The organization is struggling to raise enough money to stay open.